Hello there. I have several drives in my PC. And I need to hide one of them temporarily so that no one can see the drive at all. But I will get the drive back when needed. So, come to this PC, right-click and go to Manage. Come to Disk Management. This is G drive which I want to hide temporarily. So, right-click. Change letter and paths. Click on Remove. Then OK. Now, if I go back to this PC, my G drive is gone and no more showing in the list of the drives. This G drive is hidden now, but be rest assured that the files are still safe and secured. Let's learn how to get the drive back again. Again, come to this PC. Right-click and go to Manage. Under Disk Management, go to the drive. Right-click and change letter and paths. Simply assign any letter and press OK. The drive will be reshown and everything is like earlier. So, this is the way to do it. If you like the tips, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Joseph IT.